Will you believe if I tell you that you can earn more than $10,000 per month by just working a few hours daily? In today's video, I will not just tell you, but I'll also show you the complete process. So subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any single updates from this channel. So, early this morning, I woke up and decided to hop onto Midjourney to generate some cool images for a video, but I got this message in response: due to extreme demand, we can't provide a free trial right now. Please subscribe or try again tomorrow. Well, that pushed me to dive into finding the best alternative to Midjourney. And most importantly, it had to be free. And finally, I found it, Leonardo AI. So, introducing Leonardo AI. This AI is constantly updating and growing at a crazy pace. It's already capable of giving Midjourney some serious competition. But the most important thing is when you visit their Discord account, you are greeted with this wonderful statement: all rights to an image belong to the person who has generated it. Just a reminder, to get the rights to an image generated by Midjourney, we have to pay $10 a month. If you don't have extra money to spend on images, this is the perfect option for you. In this video, I'm going to explain why I've fully switched over to Leonardo AI, how Leonardo AI is better than Midjourney, and how, with the absolutely free Leonardo AI app, you can start making money today. Firstly, let me show you how to get access to Leonardo AI. Go to their website and click Get Early Access. Then, you'll need to join their Discord channel. After that, head over to the room called Priority Early Access. Here, you'll need to follow the link to fill out a short form, where you'll provide your Discord nickname and email to get an invitation to Leonardo AI. The invitation should arrive within a day, but let me tell you a secret: you don't have to wait for the invitation. Just go back to the Leonardo.ai, in the top right corner, click Launch App, then yes, I'm whitelist. Now, you'll need to click Login to Leonardo AI. Log in using the email you provided in the form, and that's it. You've got early access to Leonardo AI. Why Leonardo AI is better than Midjourney? When you get to their website, you might notice that Leonardo AI is a web app, which means you don't even need a Discord account, which, in my opinion, is much more convenient than Midjourney. Like many text-to-image services, Leonardo AI uses a basic token system. Leonardo gives you 150 tokens that reload every 24 hours. In simpler terms, you can generate 150 images a day, which is plenty. So, here on the home page, you can check out the works of other users and see for yourself that Leonardo creates super high-quality images. One thing I like more about Leonardo than Midjourney is that you can click on any image and fully see the prompt used to generate that image. Plus, Leonardo AI has a built-in algorithm that lets you remove the background in just a few clicks. Simply click on any image, click here, and hit No Background. Then, you can download the image as a PNG without the background. How to create image with Leonardo AI. To create your own image, you'll need to click AI Image Generation in the left panel. Here, you'll see a field where you can write your prompt. Just below that, you can choose a model. It's like the different versions of Midjourney, but there are really a lot of them here. You can also click Select Custom Model and check out the Community Model, which are models created by the users themselves. Next, you can add a negative prompt, meaning what shouldn't be in our image. Further down, there are tabs for image generation and prompt generation. You definitely won't find this in Midjourney. This tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a simple prompt. E.g., if you type in a car and click Ideate, it will come up with a number of more complex concepts which include a car. Moving on to the main settings. On the left, you can choose the number of images you'll get from one prompt. I think 4 is the best option, giving you plenty to choose from. Not too long ago, the Prompt Magic V2 option was introduced, and it's currently in beta testing. In short, this feature ensures better prompt adherence. If you enable it, you can also adjust high contrast and prompt magic strength. Further down, we can see the image resolution settings. Here, you can fine-tune the size of your image, but to get the best results, Leonardo recommends choosing 1024 by 1024 pixels. Below that, we can find the guidance scale. In this tab, you can adjust how closely the image corresponds to the prompt. In other words, the lower the number we choose, the less the final image will resemble what's written in our prompt. I recommend choosing an optimal number of 7 to 8 for the best results. I suggest turning on tiling if you're planning to create textures or patterns. Below, you can see image to image, where you upload an image you'd like to base another one on, and image prompt. So, personally, I find Leonardo AI much more convenient and pleasant to use than Midjourney. How to make money with Leonardo AI. Also, at the beginning of this video, I promised to show you a way to make money using Leonardo AI. Now, I'll show you another product that we can create with the help of Leonardo AI and sell it on Etsy. This is a very simple but interesting image called a pattern. The cool thing about it is that when we connect two images, they turn into one, just like this. So now, I'll show you how I created this image with Leonardo AI, and how you can sell images like these on Etsy. So, we're in Leonardo AI, and on the left, I select 4 variations. Then, I turn on Prompt Magic and High Contrast. I choose a resolution of 1024 by 1024. And most importantly, don't forget to enable tiling. Now, let's write our prompt. I'll write something like, repeating pattern, Picasso-style illustration, vector hand-drawn, red, blue, orange, and yellow faces, oil painting, and click generate. Now, it's generating images for us, and what I noticed is that it takes a bit longer than Midjourney. Once we get 4 image variations, we click on the one we like. Here, unlike Midjourney, we have a lot of functions to manipulate our image. We can delete the image, download the image, unzoom image, honestly, I don't even know what that is, and further on, we can remove the background if needed. Even further to the right, we're offered several image upscaling options: Creative Upscale, Upscale Image Alternate, HD Smooth Upscaler, and HP Crisp Upscale. They differ slightly from one another. Now, I'll choose HP Crisp Upscale. We'll need to wait a bit, and after that, we have a finished image that we can sell. How to sell on Etsy. Once we've created the product, it's time to sell it. You can sell patterns like these as a digital product, but now let's look at a more interesting method. Using Printify, we'll create a physical product that the Printify team will make for us. What makes this method more attractive is that we won't even have to pack or ship the product to our customer. Printify will take care of that. Let's try and see how we can use this. On the Printify website, I choose this canvas and then click on Start Designing. Next, I simply upload our image onto the blank canvas. Since our product is a pattern, click on Create Pattern. Then, I hit Print on Sides to have our image on the sides as well. Once you've done all that, choose Preview. Here, you can see how your pattern will look in the end. You can also place your image on many other products, such as tough cases, t-shirts, bags, and many more. All that's left for you to do is to list your product on Etsy and start making money. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you!